Are you looking for the best garbage disposals in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best garbage disposals that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the InSinkErator Essential XTR 3/4 HP Garbage Disposer. The InSinkErator Evolution Essential XTR is the updated version of the formerly successful InSinkErator Evolution Compact, with some minor changes made to the housing. The Evolution Compact was an effective machine, and the Evolution Essential XTR keeps what works while enhancing what can be bettered. If you ask us, that's what makes it the best 3/4 HP garbage disposal on the market. One of the solid upgrades is the soundproofing of the device, the SoundSeal insulation. The company promises a much quieter performance compared to the compact. Positive feedback on multiple forums and customer reviews suggests that the XTR is indeed more silent. Moving on at number 4. We have the Moen GX50C. The Moen GX50C makes waste disposal an easy and convenient task. It comes with a 0.5 HP Vortex magnetic motor that delivers super fast grinding action up to 2,600 revolutions per minute. The unit features a universal express mount system that is specially designed to fit most 3-bolt mounting assemblies for quick installation. It additionally has a compact design, with a height of 16 inches, meaning no struggle during installation under a sink. A pre-installed power cord not only eliminates the need to buy one separately, but also means the unit is ready to go once installation is done. This disposal utilizes SoundShield technology, which keeps the noise level as low as possible. At number 3, we have the InSinkErator Evolution XL. The InSinkErator Evolution XL is without a doubt one of the quietest garbage disposals. It makes use of SoundSeal technology, which includes enhanced level insulation, anti-vibration connections, and a unique quiet collar sink baffle that blocks out the noise coming from the grinder. This waste destroyer has 3 stages of breaking down waste, reducing scraps to the finest pulp. The resultant tiny particles are easy to wash down, meaning lower the chances of clogging up the drain pipe in the process. The Evolution XL will power through veggies, fruits, peels, and even small bones with ease. At number 2, we have the InSinkErator Badger 5.5 HP Food Waste Disposer. The model is powered with a 1/2 HP Dura Drive induction motor. It's durable, precise, and efficient. With proper use and care, it can be functional for a long time. Like InSinkErator's other models, the Badger spins at the speed of 1,725 revolutions per minute. The InSink grinder can break down soft food waste with ease, but is likely to struggle with tougher waste like bones or eggshells. While the machine might still manage to grind up eggshells and vegetables, it's a task that must be approached slowly and carefully to avoid jamming. Bones, on the other hand, are probably out of the question. And finally at number 1, we have the Waste King L8000 Garbage Disposal. Permanent magnet motors make less noise when operating compared to the common induction motors, which makes the L8000 fairly quiet. Besides, their ability to achieve maximum speed in a short period of time reduces the risk of jamming. The L8000 is also downright durable. All of its grind components are made of stainless steel to shred even the toughest food waste and stand the test of time. Moreover, the housing is framed with polymer, which is well known for its lightweight nature and corrosion resistance. However, the main reason the L8000 has earned a place as our best value pick boils down to the right mix of affordability and quality. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.